self-defense videos are all done by a professional. That's me, Cobra Kyle. We'll teach you everything you need to know. Do you feel those animal instincts coming out? I bet you do. Do you have your headbands? Check. Ready. Let's go. We're about to learn 2 moves today, also from the most greatest animal, the elephant. Are you ready to unleash the beast in you? Now we're here to teach you 3 things, and that would be IDA, intimidation, distract, and then attack. Now, on to the first move. You'll be doing intimidation. What that looks like is if opponent or enemy is coming from behind, you'll want to go ahead and pull off the first move, which is the elephant trunk. You'll take that mighty trunk and you'll first bend over at the waist. Bending over also makes the enemy confused. You're distracting them as we speak. Let me show you a better view. Now, see how I'm distracting the enemy? This is the point of view, is when you'll take your attack. 1, 2, 3, and then attack. Okay, now that we got the technique down, we'll show you how to properly do it at full speed. Remember, I am a professional, trained in all aspects. Cobra Kyle, let's see it happen. Now that move right there, the elephant trunk, is if an attacker's coming from behind. Maybe you have 2 more enemies coming in front of you. Sometimes what I like to do is I like to tuck my knees into my chest and I lean forward. That's just how I roll. Elephant tusk! What you'll do is you'll drop down. It's okay to drop down to a knee. Now you're in eye-to-eye view of the crotch or the groin. And what you'll do then is use the almighty elephant force and strike your opponent with all the might you have. Let's go over and I'll show you how to do it right now. Here's a self-defense tip for the city. If you're caught in the city and you're next to a building construction, then what you should do is probably look down. Boom, a brick. Now what are you gonna do with that brick? A lot of different things. You can hit, you can throw it. It doesn't matter, it's a brick. It's gonna hurt.